Hey, little butto. I have a couple things to say to you. Can you just look at me for 1 second? Can you turn your head? Can you please turn your little head so I can talk to you? This is what you get for having a little kid that doesn't listen to you. I thought they were supposed to be there with the listen, but they're not. Turn your face so I can talk to you. I'm talking to you. About time you've done that. Take you this long to actually turn your head. So, what I'm going to tell you. Great, now he sleeps. Butthole. We're supposed to have a connection. What? Asshole.